0 Airborne 46, contact departure 129.35.
46, 12935, yeah, 560.
8 Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, line up on weight, runway 09.
Line up on weight 09, 8 Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey.
Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, runway 09, clear for takeoff, current surface winds unavailable.
Clear for takeoff, copy the winds, 8 Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey.
Air fleet call.
Right plan.
Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, Airborne 49er, contact departure 129.35.
Airborne 49er, contact departures 12935, 8 Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey.
Adams Tower, November 151, Quebec Sierra is ready for departure, runway 9.
November 151, Quebec Sierra, runway 09, clear for takeoff, current surface winds unavailable.
Adams departure, good morning, this is 8 Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey.
8 Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, Adams. Radar contact.
8 Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, climbing to 6,500 feet to direct Goter, squawking 1001, and we'll call you back with the estimate to Goter. 8 Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey.
Morning departure, November 151, Quebec Sierra, 3500, climbing, flight level 280, right turn, heading 250.
November 151, Quebec Sierra, Adams, radar contact. November 151, Quebec Sierra, heading restriction cancels, clear by the position, direct Hillary.
Correct, present position, direct Hillary, 151, Quebec Sierra.
8 Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, estimated Goter at 1435.
Argyle, it's a Grenadier. Our flight number is actually 132, it's not 135. If you could correct it for me, please.
Okay, did that, thanks.
Thank you.
Whiskey landed 41, exit via Bravo, that's the first intersection. And contact ground 121.9.
KFI Bravo, contact ground 121.9, Air Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey.